Now, the other crucial concept that's related to arrays and objects about which you should know is the special spread operator that exists in JavaScript. For that, let's for example say that we want to merge this hobbies list with another hobbies list. In this case, for example, another list that only contains one item. If I would want to create a merged list, I could do that by creating a new list with the square brackets. And then I could use the special spread operator, which looks like this. 3 dots. Yes, it looks weird, but this is JavaScript syntax using 3 dots. And then the name of the first array you want to merge into this new array. For example, hobbies. These 3 dots will pull out all the elements of this array, so sports and cooking in this case, and add them as separate, comma-separated values to this new list. If I would just add hobbies like this and new hobbies like this, I would get a new array which, when output to the console, will actually look like this. Now it's an array with 2 nested arrays inside. This might sometimes be what you want, but often it's not. If I instead use the 3 dots in front of the arrays to use this spread operator, I will pull out the values from these arrays and add them as standalone values to this array. And with that, if I reload, this new array I get now does not contain nested arrays, but instead the values from the merged arrays. And that's what the spread operator does. It pulls out values from an array and adds them as separate, comma-separated values to a new array here. And we will indeed use this spread operator from time to time in this course, and therefore you should also know about this. You can also not just use this spread operator on arrays, but also on objects. For example, if I have my extended user object here, where I also have the isAdmin flag, let's say, a property named isAdmin, which stores a Boolean value, and I now want to merge in the properties from the other user. Now for that, I can again use the spread operator, because it's also available in objects, and spread my user with help of these 3 dots into this extended user. Here, the spread operator will pull out all the key value pairs from this object and add them as key value pairs to that object here. Therefore, if I console log this extended user now, I'll get a new user which has this isAdmin key, but which also has these key value pairs from this user here. All thanks to this spread operator, to the 3 dots.